Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I will show you how to send money from Skrill to Wise account. First, you should open your Skrill account. After logging in, you will find here this section which is called transfer. Once you go to the transfer section, you will get this option, international money transfer. Just click on it. Once you choose it, here you will be able to enter the amount of money. So simply choose the currency, just like so. You can choose between US dollars, Australian dollars, euro, whatever you use, then enter the amount and it will show exactly how much money will the receiver get. Once you are satisfied with the received money, you should choose the payment method by simply clicking on this arrow and choose your payment method. Then you should hit the continue button. After that, you will have to choose whether you want to send it to yourself or to someone else or to business. Simply, I'll choose send to myself. Now you'll have to add the recipient details. So fill in your information and now go open your Wise account, log in, and now you will have to provide your account number and other account details. Just fill it here, then click on continue, and you're all done. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a good comment, and goodbye.